Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Futures Trading with Mike, and it is in the afternoon, 3 o'clock right now. And I didn't do a video this morning, a live recorded video this morning. I was tied up, had some other business things I needed to take care of this morning. Outside of trading, I do have some other business ventures that I take part in and help operate. But anyways, outside of that. Yeah, so that's the reason why I wasn't able to post a video this morning, guys. But it is Friday, May 13th. We are approaching the close of the session, and I wanted to see if I could possibly jump into a few quick trades today before the market actually before it closes, because like I said, I didn't get a chance to trade. So we'll see what happens. I'm taking a look at my higher time frame right now, my 60-minute chart, 60-hour chart, not 60 minutes. Sorry about that, guys. And before we jump into this, I'd like to thank everyone who's currently subscribed to the channel. Thank you guys for subbing. Thank you for hitting the like button. And just make sure you got your post notifications turned on by clicking on that little bell icon. I appreciate that. First time viewing, thank you. However you found the channel, thank you for viewing today. And hopefully you found some value in the content, and we can get you to join in as a subscriber here on the channel. I'm a price action trader. If you don't know anything about how I trade, price action trade. I pretty much trade a naked chart, all except for using volume profile, guys. I mean, my style of trading may not be what you're used to, but I'm a price action trader, and I like to see price. Basically, a price action trader. Okay, I follow price action, but I really trade off of supply and demand zone. So I look for price to tap into it in either an area of supply or demand, and from there I look for the rejection, and then I look at my lower time frame and start looking for retracements back to those areas and take my trades. So let's go ahead and jump into the video by looking at the 60 range chart here and take a look and see what price action has done throughout the day in comparison to the last 2 days. Okay, and it's one other thing I wanted to mention before I jump into let's take a look at the 60 range chart here to kind of see what the market's been doing from a higher standpoint. Yeah, but what I want to mention before we actually take a look at the 60 range chart is look down below in this video. Look down below in the description section. I've got a couple not questions, but I got individuals, a certain amount of you guys, that ask about if there's any recommended books that I would recommend to the community, to the channel, to basically help those that are beginner traders, maybe starting new in their career or in the venture of wanting to trade. But a lot of them are also, it doesn't really matter the level of your, in what you're actually your trading career or trading venture that you're in, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader. Doesn't really matter, but there's solid good books to help build a foundation to trading, pretty much. I mean, you'll see I probably have I think it's probably about 6-7 books in there, and they're real good books. Some of them are geared towards beginners, and then there's quite a few that are not. But take a look down there. You'll see some that are very helpful books that will put you in the right direction and give you a solid basis and fundamental foundation when it comes to trading. So you have one title, Trading in the Zone, Fundamentals of Futures and Option Markets, Day Trading Quick Start, a Day Trading Quick Start Guide for Beginners, Trade Like a Pro, that was a good one. Best Tips for High Profit Day Trading, The Art and Science of Technical Analysis, great book right there. Price Action, Trading Secrets, they're all great books, guys. And a lot of them, they go through about talking, show you technical analysis trading, if that's, kind of hitting that arena there. The Fundamentals of Futures, very good book, definitely shows you the fundamentals of futures trading. And like the one that says Day Trading Quick Start Guide for Beginners, that's something you can read through to kind of get you started, but Trade Like a Pro is an excellent one. The Art and Science of Technical Analysis. There's plenty of books out there, but these are the ones I would recommend that you read. And the first one up there where I have Trading in the Zone, that's an excellent book. Excellent book, okay? So all of them are great books. That's why I'm recommending them. That's why I'm putting them in the list there. But you can kind of pick and choose, and they all have good reviews, good ratings, and so pick and choose. Maybe it's one you like to read and pick up for yourself, and they're very impactful, very helpful. They've helped me in the past. So, but also what you'll see below there as well are some suggested equipment that I have down there in the list that I you know, that I use. For instance, I had the HP Pavilion desktop, and if you click on that, you can check out the specs of that. It's a very powerful. It's a very powerful machine. It's definitely, you know, for what I use it for, as far as for my workspace environment, and trading, has the power, definitely has what it takes to, and some, you know, for you know, trading or whatever the case is. You have the HP Pavilion laptop. I have that as well. I use that when I travel, and I'm not in front of my desktop. And you have, you know, there's some other equipment down there. The monitors, of course. You know, you have to have monitors. Logitech webcam. There's two other ones, or I think there's two other ones I'm going to put on there. Basically the desktop ring light that I have when I use my webcam, and I think there was one more I was going to put on there. Oh, mic. Yes, I got to put the mic on there. I didn't put that on there neither. So other than that, that's, you know, kind of like how I have my workstation set up, in a sense. Some of the equipment that I use to set up my trading workstation, I should say, here at my desk. But yeah, so let's go ahead and jump into the video here. Check out the description below, and you'll see the recommended future trading books that I recommend, as well as some of the suggested or equipment that I recommend that to the community as well. So it is what it is. You can click on it and take a look yourself, guys. Okay, but just check below. So yes, right now, this morning we pulled back into an area of supply. Let's go ahead and jump into that. 60 range, pull back into this area of supply sitting right here. Okay, you can see it. Market rejected it right here at 10 something, and then it rejected it, but it actually pushed a little higher. So it made a swing here to the upside, high, pull back, made a higher high. It's having a hard time struggling through this area right here. A lot of selling that came out of this area right here. See it? When price pushed down, made a low here, pull back, made a lower low. Okay, so it's quite a bit of selling in this area, and price is just struggling to push through this area. So we're hitting it again, of course, after rejecting it right here. Okay, that was around, looks like we pulled back up to around 12, and it started rejecting it. Probably played around for a while, then it pushed lower. You know, nice area to go short at is basically what I'm trying to say. If you look over at the volume profile, we're sitting at the outer edge of this area of volume right here. Price moves lower, and what does it do? It taps right into an area of demand below it. Bounces right at that area of demand, right there at 39.75, and now it's back up to this area here. So the question is, I wonder if price is going to try to push higher now, or what it's actually going to do. But being that we're back into the area of supply, in this area up here, I'm not looking to be taking trades long unless price, you know, can show me any different, But I'll be interested in going short again, or taking short. So I don't have much opportunity or time because of the market is bound to close here shortly, and I don't like trading towards the close of the market because things kind of get erratic, and the pace of the market volatility picks up pretty fast. So let's see what we have here. Disregard this stuff on the chart here, guys. I was actually earlier today kind of marking some stuff off before I didn't even get a chance to trade, but I was marking some stuff off. But just disregard that. Let's kind of pay attention to where we're at now with price. Let's see. Now, if price can reject right here where it's at. It can. You see, with price push down here, pull back, push lower. On the pullback that we're tracing right here, there's a little supply level sitting right here, or a supply zone. That's why I have it marked off right there. Price rejects that, and it pushed lower. So I was looking at some things prior to me even trading. So we're back into this area now. So price pushed lower. We're tracing back to it. So my thing is now, I wonder if it's going to reject this area here again where it's at. Okay, meaning I'm gonna leave that there, but meaning right here where it's at now, where price is at, or is it going to push up higher? Now, if it pushes up and breaks this area right here, I will tell you that price is probably going to push higher. Okay, so we'll see what happens, but price is going to have to take out this area right here. Okay, it's going to have to take that area out. And there you go. Just as I was speaking of it, look at it. It rejected it, pushed lower. So, all right. So I am Looks like it may try to push down to the back down to the point of control. So let me see here. Look at it running to the downside. I'm not even gonna get a chance to. Yeah, it could reject here though. It's not broke this area. You got the VPOC right here, so you gotta be careful. 40.15, that's where the VPOC's at. So I don't know. If it runs back up here to around 24.25, I may be interested in going short, but I'm not sure. Let's see. At this moment, I'm trying to see. Yeah, not yet. I'm going to wait. Going to wait. Price breaks here. I'll go. We'll see. I'm not gonna say. I'm not gonna speak that into existence quite yet because we're so close to the VPOC. But wonder what it's trying to do. It kept trying to break lower. I'm not sure yet, so I'm gonna be careful here because I'm not sure what the market is really trying to do here. To me, it can break above 40.21 or 40.22 and break higher. So I don't know, quite sure yet. I'm gonna kind of be careful the way I trade this. Yeah, I appreciate everyone who's tuned in this afternoon, not this morning. So yeah, eh, yeah. Let me be careful here. Okay. All right, so we're back up here. Oh, is price gonna reject this area? Don't know. I know one thing, I'm short though. Come on. There we go. That easy. Okay. I mentioned price gets back up to this area right here. All right. Just back up to this area here at 40.25. I'm going short back down to actually it's probably gonna come let's see. I can't see it from here. Yeah, it's gonna at least hit this area here. It could come back down to around 20, but quick little entry right there. Scalping. I'm not sure what I picked up on that trade, so let's see. 10 ticks, 10 little quick ticks right there. All right, so my strategy works, guys. I mean, it's just supply and demand style trading, but it's a little going to a little bit. I have a little twist to it in the way I do it. So, yeah. So we'll see. Gotta be careful now. Price is in a wedge right here on the 4 range chart, even on the 12 range. So it could break higher, like I said. It could want to test higher areas now. So, okay. Yeah, not sure. It could bounce here, get up here and bounce here, right here where the top volume goes at, or it could break higher. But right now we're bouncing right here where I said there was an area of supply at. What's an area of supply? It's an aggressive area where there's a lot of selling to place. Accumulation of selling up to place to the downside. What do you see? You see price pull back to this area right here at 1 o'clock, right here. Red candle, red candle, red candle. That's all aggressive selling, okay? Pulls back, price moves lower, pulls back to that same area again, right here, and rejects it. It rejects it again. All right. So that's what that's how I trade, supply and demand zones. And that's a supply area off of the 12 range chart. Okay, but I mentioned we are already at a supply area on the 60 range chart, so I'm not really looking to take longs back into an area of supply. That's a no-no. Okay, so live recorded scalping in this video here of me trying to scalp or taking some scalping trades, or scalping entries. You know, kind of towards the close of today session. So, oh man, what's the market doing? It's rejecting again, and it's rejecting that area again. But we're moving sideways, so I'm not going to, you know, I'm going to be careful. All right. Okay. Okay, let's see what's happening here. I'm kind of responding to something on my phone, guys. So please, disregard me at this moment. Well, I'm not gonna say disregard me, but I'm paying attention. Trust me, I'm paying attention to what the market's doing, but I'm also responding to some other business things that I need to respond to as well. So I'm not truly sure what price is doing. Still in this area here, so let's see. All right, so price is broken above this area right here. The zone is pushing higher now, so here, the tops of this swing right here, get involved now because we are at the 330 mark here. Price is pulling back down to the VPOC, so, and it just shot down. It didn't even give me an opportunity really to try to do much with it, but that was a rejection. I didn't go, let's see. I didn't go short because we had support sitting right below us, but price is back down to the VPOC now, so yeah. Um, yeah. Okay. All right. Let's see what the market's gonna do. Uh, I don't know. It could bounce right here where it's at, but right at the VPOC. I want to see it come a little lower. Wait and see. Hmm. Yeah. It's going back to the VPOC. I figured it would jump back up there. Yeah, it's pushing back up. Mm-mm-mm. Yep. Let's see. See how it come down right to the tick? I showed you right there. I put that line there before price got there, and I said price probably bounce right there, and it did. So, um, man. Okay, it's running back down. Let's see what happens right here. I'm not sure, but this was a rejection. First time price breaks back above here or rejects this area, I'm gonna go long. It's pulling. It's breaking back. It's pushing lower now. So, yep, broke lower, breaking lower. Market's moving back down. So that is a no go. This area right here was an area of demand. See all that buying out of that area? Okay. So um okay. All right, let's see. Where's the market at? Not yet, not yet. Not interested yet. The price take this area here out? No, it did not. Okay. Uh, ah, come on. I'm late. Dang, on it. Go up. Come on. Take out, right? Take out this trade. Come back down or a little lower. Okay. Give me an opportunity to get out of this trade. Come on. Come on. There we go. All right, I'm getting out. Okay. All right, rejection. Okay, price came out to this area. I said it reject here. Okay, it did. All right. All right, so the market is pulling back now. Or, let me take a look here. Yeah, we're moving sideways kind of in his leg here if we look at the 12 range. Price pushed up here, made a high, low, moving sideways. You know, chopping in between his leg here. Okay, so we're moving sideways right now. Let's see. I'm not sure price. Let's see. Yeah, I'll be interested in seeing what price does when it gets back up to see something here. Let me move this here. Let's see. I'm not sure if price will get back up there or not, but I'm not sure. Pulling back right now. Yeah. I don't know. Let's see. Looks like he's trying to break lower. It breaks above. I may take a little long. But we're at the V block, so I gotta be careful here. Long. Come on, baby, go up. Come on. There we go. Take out. There we go. Okay, right to this area right here. All right, and that's going to do it for me today, guys. I have 3 entries right there I showed you. Pretty much easy scalping entries that I took trading the ES today. That is the Emini S&P 500. And that's going to do it. Yeah, guys, I'm wrapping up. Quick little session for me, maybe 30 minutes or so, whatever the case is. And quick afternoon session. I'm glad I was able to finish up right now because we are getting to the end of the closing session and things are going to start getting a little volatile. So, yeah, appreciate everyone watching. We'll be, I'll be doing another, next week is today's actually the 13th, so it's Friday. I'll go ahead and close out my session for the week here. Wishing everyone a great great weekend. And I'll see you guys on Monday for the next live recorded session here where you can watch me trade the Emini S&P 500. That's the ES. And, you know, same thing. We're going to do the rundown, looking at the market from a higher time frame, you know, kind of giving my quick little analysis, what I'm looking for in the style trading that I do, supply and demand style trading, okay? And like I said, if you're interested in any of the books, you know, recommended books, suggested equipment, whatever the case is, take a look below down the description. You'll see, I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 books I have listed there. They're all very good books that are very informative. They give you good information, that provide good solid information, guys, if you're looking to start trading or already trading. And like me, you know, we're always continuously educating ourselves, and I'm always reading. I'm always kind of fine-tuning things. I'm always trying to learn new things. So there's plenty of books there. If you're interested in any of them, you know, just click on the link and you can purchase the books from the link. And the equipment as well. I mean, I just posted some. I posted some of the equipment that I use. You know, you guys hear me say in my videos that I was looking to get a new machine. I finally got a new machine. Upgraded my trading environment in a sense. So, but yeah, that's some good solid equipment in that list of things too as well. I will be putting on there the I guess kind of the LED ring light or whatever the case is that I use or whatever. And yeah, you know, that's up to you guys. I mean, I'm just recommending some equipment there, but you know, you guys pick and choose whatever you want to and trade with whatever you want to trade. But like I said, I had the HP Pavilion desktop, laptop, solid pieces of equipment to use. You know, the laptop is a very powerful machine. And I guess if you like to do any gaming as well, you can do gaming off of it too. But it's very quick. I think the only thing I did was I added sticks of memory to my desktop. So it came with 8. I think I've got it up to 16, but it can I could put 32 gigs of RAM in it, but right now I just have 16 in there, and I have 16 on my laptop as well. So yeah, if you're interested in any of that, you know, the books, the equipment, take a look in the description below, and that's going to do it. See you guys in the next video on Monday. Take care and have a good one if you're trading. Hopefully you're not trading now, but be safe if you are. Goodbye.